Hey there everyone, it's Peter from Bag Riders, and today I'm incredibly excited to introduce to you and unbox a brand new product that we're introducing to our air suspension catalog. This is Maxload Air Suspension. Now you might have not heard of Maxload Air Suspension, but believe it or not, you've probably actually seen it. They are the original manufacturer for a lot of privately labeled air suspension options that have been popping up throughout our industry over the last couple of years. So what does it mean to privately label something? All it comes down to is that one company will pay to put their name and sticker on another company's product without doing any of the research, development, or manufacturing. So instead of you guys going out and buying a setup from some company that's just slapping their sticker on Maxload suspension, we're now selling you the original product directly without any ridiculous markups. All right, enough about this private labeling nonsense. Let's just get into the product. With any unboxing video, we first got to start off with looking at the packaging. And as to be expected, all 4 struts are going to come in one box. It's pretty tightly packed in here. There's a lot of bubble wrap, a lot of damage limitation. I don't see any damage in here at all. I think with how tightly packed they are between the bubble wrap, the wrapping paper, and the product itself, I really don't see how this could get damaged at all. So overall, it's gonna do its job. It's gonna get the package to you. It's far from pretty, but I give it a C+. All right, so first thing that's catching my eye is this little baggie that's gonna come with everything you need to adjust the suspension and actually plumb it up. So it looks like this one has 2 leader lines. It has 4 brass fittings for actually connecting airline into the bags, a spanner wrench for making any adjustments to the struts that you might want, as well as 4 damping adjustment knobs. They are plastic on top, which is definitely on the cheaper end from what we're used to seeing, but at the end of the day, if it's doing the clicky thing, then that's all you really need it for. All right, so jumping into the suspension itself, I believe I'm grabbing a front strut. Yes, this is a front strut. Oh, I just ripped that. That's okay, ignore that. All right, so here's a front strut, and honestly, off of first impressions, I'm incredibly impressed for the price point. First off, starting on the top, you do have 32-way adjustable damping, adjustable camber plates, which is huge. Obviously, it depends on the chassis and the type of suspension that it has. Some suspensions don't allow for adjustable camber plates, but this one does. If you're looking for all that camber, you can get it. Working our way down, you have a double bellow bag, which is pretty standard between most of the air suspension market, and they honestly feel pretty good. They have a nice firm touch. They're coated in this, I don't know what to call it, but it gives it this nice sheen. So for the packaging, it looks good. All right, so working our way down the strut, I am so pleased to see that these have a threaded damper body. That is huge with regard to fine-tuning your setup with regards to lift, ride heights, whatever it might be. The threaded damper bodies with the lock collars are allowing you to do all of that. All right, now let's try to find a rear bag. Aha, the rear bags are way smaller. I'm not sure what chassis this is for. Possibly a BRZ. Sweet, here we go. So here is the rear bag, obviously substantially smaller than the fronts, but that's just chassis to chassis. Same thing follows from the front to the rear. CNC'd aluminum top hats, 32-way adjustable damping, which is just huge. I really can't emphasize that enough, how fine-tunable it is to actually increase or decrease the damping on your suspension. So obviously you'll take one of those little damping knobs and put it up through this top little hole right here. Really tiny. It's kind of cute, don't you think? But that's not the point of these. Honestly, consistency all around is here. All in all, Maxload is making a pretty phenomenal product for those that are working with a tighter budget, but really want features like 32-way adjustable dampers, camber plates, and threaded damper bodies. Granted, it's not going to be able to compete with higher-end products like our very own super low air suspension with regards to overall drive feel and aggressive low drive heights, but at the end of the day, this is a really good bang for buck. So not only is it a benefit for you guys, but for us, it's introducing 30 brand new platforms that we previously didn't have on our website before. So if you have any more questions on Maxload Air Suspension, please reach out to our helpful staff at sales@bagriders.com. And as always, don't forget to go shopbagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop for all of your air suspension needs.